Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2022 Porsche 911 in the shop, and initially we were going to be doing PPF with Autobahn Incognito with a lifetime warranty, but one of the key things about doing PPF on cars is getting them in the shop as soon as possible. And even though this 911 only has 7,000 miles on it, it has what I call sandblasting across the front, and we'll try to capture it on video for you to overlay if possible after this. But when you put film over a gloss black vehicle and it has those little marks, the tiniest of rock chips that you can't even really see, it's accentuated by the film. So what we decided to do with the owner is to go ahead and polish and ceramic coat instead. If it was a different color, it probably wouldn't be an issue. So come check this out. So if you see this area here, you see all these tiny little dots. Those are actually rock chips that we call sandblasting. And I've had clients that think that that's dirt under film. This will sometimes show up under the film if you look at it at the right angle. So we decided not to do the film on this in conjunction with discussing with the client. It's just a little bit too late, even though it only has 7,000 miles. So it's a good reason to get your car into the shop to get PPF ASAP.